right here, this is a Govee DreamView T1. This is a nice RGBIC light strip right here that go behind your TV. And there's a camera right here, 1080p camera that captures the colors on your screen and projects them in the background. Thanks for choosing Govee. Boom! That's the camera. That's 2 lenses on the camera. It's got a good weight to it. You put this one on your TV. This thing is awesome because it's for a TV. You can fit a big TV up to 85-inch TV. You put your TV right here and you have a camera right here that picks up the colors on your screen. Boom! The Govee remote control. Boom! We got some calibration blocks. These blocks right here are to calibrate your cameras. Boom! Boom! We got some mounting clips right here. 3M tips right here. More clips for installation. Boom! More clips. The power adapter, and you have a USB-C to USB-C cable. We got some alcohol wipes so you can clean your surface right here. Some user manual for the Govee lights. Boom! This is the Govee RGBIC light strip that go behind your TV. Boom! Look at this light. The camera has USB-C. We're gonna plug the camera into the port right here. The lights right here, USB-C. I'm gonna plug it into the bottom USB-C output right there. Put the power button right. Oh, there we go. We got some lights right here, RGBIC. Right now you can see these RGBIC lights right here. These lights are awesome. They're simple. You also have the camera right here, so you can get the maximum exposure, the maximum color capture on your TV. So these are the DreamViews right here. Very nice protective coating on this light. It is beautiful. This is a high quality RGBIC lights right here. These lights will go behind your TV. They are beautiful. I mean, look at the quality of the lights. These lights are amazing. These lights are beautiful. This is the Govee DreamView T1 kit with the remote control and the lights right here. And you got the camera as well. DreamView T1 right here. Oh yeah!